How to build wealth fast. Today, we discuss a vital topic that many are eager to master. In a world of exciting opportunities and competitive markets, accumulating wealth has become a popular aspiration. Our focus will be on sharing valuable insights and proven strategies to help you achieve this goal. By understanding and applying these methods, you should be well on your way to achieving financial success, and fast. Let's begin. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Prioritize education. In today's fast-paced world, prioritizing education has become more critical than ever in order to build wealth quickly and efficiently. By investing in both formal and informal educational opportunities, you can develop the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in your chosen field. This, in turn, leads to increased earning potential and long-term financial stability. Not only does education lay the foundation for a prosperous future, but it also cultivates a mindset of continuous growth, which is essential for maintaining wealth and staying ahead in our constantly evolving economy. Number 2. Set specific financial goals. To build wealth at a rapid pace, it's essential to establish specific financial goals that drive your decision-making process. Identifying clear targets will not only provide you with something tangible to aim for, but also enable you to track progress and adjust strategies as needed. Furthermore, having well-defined financial goals can serve as a motivating factor, pushing you to be consistent in your efforts. Adopting this goal-oriented approach maximizes the efficacy of your wealth-building plan and helps you achieve financial success more quickly than you could through random or unplanned actions. Number 3. Develop high-income skills. By focusing on in-demand, specialized skills, anyone can increase their earning potential and set themselves apart from the competition. Additionally, investing in financial literacy and understanding various wealth-building strategies helps to maximize the benefits of these skills. By continuously learning them and adapting, one can optimize their income, resulting in fast and sustainable wealth accumulation. Number 4. Avoid debt with high interest rates. To build wealth rapidly, it's crucial to steer clear of high-interest debt, particularly credit cards. Instead, focus on swift and decisive actions to pay off any existing debts. Effectively managing your finances by avoiding these pitfalls will pave the way towards increased net worth. By implementing a solid financial strategy, you can greatly accelerate the wealth-building process. Number 5. Invest in stocks or mutual funds with high growth potential. Investing in stocks or mutual funds with high growth potential is an effective strategy for building wealth quickly. By carefully selecting investment opportunities that have the potential for rapid increases in value, anyone can benefit from the power of compounding returns and accumulate significant wealth over time. This approach requires diligent research, an understanding of market trends, and the ability to recognize potential growth engines to capitalize on amazing opportunistic investments. Number 6. Create and sell digital products. The rapid expansion of technology, combined with the growing demand for online content, has paved the way for people to harness this goldmine. Numerous professionals have already built substantial wealth by developing and marketing digital products, be it ebooks, online courses, or software applications. As more consumers gravitate towards digital marketplaces for their information and entertainment needs, there has never been a better time to embark on this journey and ride the wave of prosperity. Number 7. Freelance. This approach offers numerous benefits, such as flexible work hours, the ability to choose projects that align with personal interests, and the potential to earn a higher income compared to traditional employment. As more people recognize the advantages of freelancing, the trend continues to grow, transforming the way we perceive work and wealth accumulation. Ultimately, embracing a freelance career can pave the way for financial success, providing the opportunity to create a stable and prosperous future. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 8. Create multiple income streams. To capitalize on the potential for financial growth, one must consider the importance of creating multiple income streams. By diversifying your sources of revenue, you can build wealth quickly and effectively, while also mitigating the risks associated with relying on a single income stream. Embracing various avenues for income generation allows you to maximize your earning potential. This strategy empowers you to achieve your financial goals quickly. Number 9. Start a business. Starting a business has always been a compelling path towards creating lasting wealth. The ability to take control of one's financial destiny by building a successful company is not only lucrative but also empowering. In today's fast-paced world, it's crucial that aspiring entrepreneurs seize opportunities and find innovative solutions to market demands. By doing so, they can build wealth quickly and create a sustainable source of income that transcends generations. Number 10. Invest in a promising startup or venture capital fund. By identifying opportunities with significant growth potential, investors can capitalize on their foresight and financial support. Moreover, startup investments often result in a diverse portfolio, which can help mitigate risks associated with market fluctuations. As a result, this approach to wealth building aligns with both ambitious financial goals and prudent risk management practices. Number 11. Buying and holding rental properties. Property investment has long been regarded as one of the most effective ways to accumulate wealth. Buying rental properties not only generates a steady stream of passive income, but also contributes to an investor's overall net worth. By strategically selecting and managing these real estate assets, people harness the power of leveraging to accelerate their path toward financial freedom. With a well-executed investment plan, rental properties have the potential to rapidly build wealth and secure one's financial future. Number 12. Network to open up new opportunities. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, leveraging one's network for wealth creation is essential to achieving fast financial success. The concept of using a wide range of contacts to open up new opportunities provides a solid foundation for rapid wealth accumulation. By nurturing relationships with like-minded professionals and tapping into their collective knowledge, one can identify lucrative investment options and scale them exponentially. In essence, growing and maintaining a robust network can pave the way for quickly building personal wealth. Number 13. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has emerged as an innovative strategy to build wealth quickly and efficiently. By leveraging the power of online platforms and social networks, anyone can create lucrative sources of passive income streams that have the potential to transform their financial trajectory. With a diverse range of products and services available for promotion, affiliate marketers can strategically select and promote the right offerings that resonate with their target audience. By investing time and effort into learning the intricacies of affiliate programs and mastering their execution, those with an entrepreneurial mindset can achieve financial success and independence faster than through traditional methods. Number 14. Flip houses. In today's ever-evolving real estate market, one opportunity for investors to build wealth rapidly is through the strategic art of flipping houses. This process requires keen attention to details while acquiring undervalued properties, skillfully renovating them, and reselling for a profit. By leveraging local market knowledge and proper financial planning, investors can maximize returns and minimize risks associated with house flipping. Number 15. Consider working with a financial advisor or planner. To secure your financial future, it's essential to make informed decisions and develop a strategic action plan. One effective approach to building wealth quickly is to work with a professional financial advisor or planner. These experts can provide valuable insights and guidance, helping you identify investments and opportunities that align with your goals. By collaborating with a financial expert, you can maximize your growth potential and achieve financial stability at an accelerated pace. Number 16. Stay disciplined. In order to build wealth quickly, discipline is a crucial element. By consistently adhering to a well-planned budget and making smart investment choices, it becomes possible to maximize the growth of your assets. Developing healthy financial habits, such as saving and avoiding unnecessary expenses, can greatly contribute to wealth accumulation. Furthermore, by diligently monitoring and adjusting your financial strategies, you establish a strong foundation for wealth. As you can see, building wealth quickly isn't an easy task, but it's achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. By establishing smart financial habits, investing wisely, and staying disciplined, you improve your chances of reaching your financial goals fast. Additionally, recognizing opportunities and leveraging your skills and resources can also make the process more achievable. Ultimately, it's essential to stay committed, as hard work can lead to substantial rewards. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.